13th. It's the Harding Morning News. You're tuned to the most watched middle school news program at Harding Middle School. Weather, lunch menus, information about meetings await you. And remember,
you are special.
Good morning, Harding Middle School. Today is Tuesday, September 13th. I'm Zeylie.
And I'm Inga. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated. Here are the Harding headlines. Weekly Behavior Goals Spotlight, Golden Ticket winners, and LRC Chromebook bags and chargers. We are happy to be joined this morning by Myles to put the spotlight on our weekly behavior goal. Take it away, Myles.
Hello. Being responsible means taking charge of yourself and being accountable for you. In other words, everything is up to you. Think about it. Taking responsibility for yourself. What does responsibility look like in action? Here are some good examples. Make sure your Chromebook is charged each day for school, completing all assignments for a class, and if you have a bad grade in a class, taking responsibility to speak to the teacher about it are always ways to improve. Basically, responsible students realize that success or failure is almost entirely up to them. In middle school, less and less is done by your parents. We look for students to step up and take that responsibility. Here's a neat analogy to explain responsibility. You have no control over the weather, but you have complete control over whether you're prepared for that. In other words, nobody is not good enough for it to rain, but it is not your fault if you did not pack an umbrella or some rain gear. Whether you're dry or you're wet, that's up to you. Think about this goal this week. Responsibility. If you are being responsible, or if not, you can become more responsible in some way. Back to the anchors.
Thanks, Myles. Going along with that, we reward students for just doing the right thing at Harding.
Congratulations to our lunchroom golden ticket winners for last week. 6th graders Brandon Irway and Julia Compierre, 7th graders Trayvon Page and Zach Simmons, 8th graders Jacob Nelson and Salah Odot.
Congrats, guys. Winners, please come to Miss Bauman's room at the end of the day to pick up your prizes. A reminder to all students, show pride in your school and keep your lunchroom by helping to keep the lunchroom clean and supporting your lunch teachers. Anyone can earn golden tickets and win tasty prizes.
Attention all students, the LRC does not have any replacement Chromebook bags or charging units. Repeat, the LRC does not have any replacement Chromebook bags or charging units.
When the bags and the charging units arrive, you'll hear about it here first on the Harding Morning News. We will announce the day that they are available.
Celebrating a birthday today is Dominic Burke-Vicaro, Javon Mitterholzer.
Happy birthday. And now for a look at today's walk-home weather, here's Emma at our 36-point calibrated weather Promethean board.
Good morning, Harding Middle School. Today's weather is going to be 62 degrees and clear. Fun fact, in the show, Steven Universe, most of Garnet's emotions come from Ruby. So, whenever she cries, tears come from her right eye. Back to the anchors.
Let's take a look at the lunch.
Here's today's best thought ever. If the wind isn't blowing, row. Mr. Costello.
In other words, be a problem solver today and every day.
And finally, remember as you go through the day, think before you speak. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind?
This concludes your morning announcements. Make it a great day, Harding.